So today was this wonderful time that I spent with students of NFCI. Bunch of things that I absolutely love. One is the level of interaction, because often when you go and do such kind of master classes, you'll find people listening, not necessarily engaged. But here the great part was that it was just not about cooking, but like overall community discussion, engagement was there. I just loved it. The other unique part was that everything was on time, everything was on set, which basically means that the cutlery, the culinary skills of the people, fantastic, on point. Everything from all the equipments which basically should be there were there. So I absolutely loved my time here, and I always loved coming here at NSCI. What NSCI also does is that they create students for the modern world or for the real world, so to speak. So it's not just bookish or textual education, but also giving them the real life experience and making sure that they are ready to face the world. We're ready to go to the market and start cooking or open up their own restaurant as well. So yeah, wonderful work at NFCI.